Hello, everyone, and welcome to In Grammar, the podcast that helps you speak English clearly, confidently, and correctly. Today, we're going to talk about something every English learner struggles with: common English speaking mistakes. Even if you know a lot of grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation rules, small speaking mistakes can make your English sound unnatural. Don't worry, everyone makes them. The important thing is to notice them and learn how to fix them. So today, I'll walk you through the 10 most common mistakes English learners make, explain why they happen, and give you simple examples to help you speak correctly. Let's begin. Mistake 1. He go instead of he goes. One of the simplest but most common mistakes is forgetting to add s in the third person singular. He go to school every day. He goes to school every day. Why does this happen? Because in many other languages, verbs don't change with the subject. But in English, verbs change when the subject is he, she, or it. To fix this, always remember this pattern: I go, you go, we go, they go, he, she, or it goes. So, the next time you speak, pause for a second when you say he, she, or it. Let your brain remember, add the s. Mistake 2. I am agree. Another mistake we often hear is I am agree. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Why is this wrong? Because agree is a verb, not an adjective. We use am only before adjectives. For example, I am happy, I am tired, I am ready. But agree is an action. You either agree or you don't. I agree with your opinion. I agree that learning English is fun. If you want to express the opposite, just say, I disagree. Simple and natural. Mistake 3. She is more better. Let's move to another common one: more better. She is more better than me. Why is this wrong? Because better already means more good. When we say more better, we're repeating the same meaning twice. It's unnecessary. So remember this rule: when an adjective has a special comparative form like better, worse, older, younger, we don't use more or most. Car is better than that one. My English is improving. It's getting better every day. Just keep it simple, one comparative word is enough. Mistake 4. Mixing since and for. Now, let's talk about time expressions, since and for. Many learners confuse them. Here's how to remember. Since shows the starting point, when something began. For shows the duration, how long something has continued. I've lived here since 2010. Starting point, 2010. I've lived here for 15 years. Duration, 15 years. I've lived here since 15 years. This is wrong because since doesn't work with a period of time. Think, since a specific time, since Monday, since 5 o'clock. For a period, for 2 days, for 3 months. Repeat this pattern a few times and it'll become automatic. Mistake 5. Forgetting articles, a, and the. Articles can be confusing, especially if your first language doesn't use them. For example, I went to market yesterday. I went to the market yesterday. Why? Because in English, we use the when we're talking about something specific. A market we both know. Use a or in when you're talking about something not specific. I bought a book yesterday. Any book, not a specific one, and remember, we use it before consonant sounds, a car, a dog, a teacher. Using before vowel sounds, an apple, an umbrella, an idea. These small words make a big difference in how natural your English sounds. Mistake 6. Discuss about. Here's a tricky one. Discuss about. Let's discuss about the problem. Let's discuss the problem. The word discuss already includes the meaning of about, so adding about is incorrect. If you really want to use about, you can change the verb. Let's talk about the problem. So, discuss the issue. Talk about the issue. Discuss about the issue is incorrect sentence. It's a small correction, but it makes you sound like a fluent speaker. Mistake 7. I didn't went. Next, let's look at past tense mistakes, one of the most common being I didn't went. I didn't went to school. I didn't go to school. Why is this wrong? Because when we use did in a sentence, the main verb stays in base form, not past. Did already shows that it's past tense. So, I did go. I didn't go. Here are more examples. She didn't eat breakfast. She didn't eat breakfast. They didn't saw it. They didn't see it. Remember, use did base verb. Go, eat, see, work, study. Mistake 8. I am here since 2 hours. Now, let's look at a mix between grammar and time again. I am here since 2 hours. I have been here for 2 hours. This mistake happens because learners often use the present simple or continuous instead of the present perfect. We use have been when something started in the past and is still true now. I have been here since morning. I have been waiting for you for 10 minutes. Just remember this structure. Use have been ing for actions that started before and continue now. This makes your English more accurate and fluent. Mistake 9. People is. Let's fix a very common mistake. People is nice. People are nice. Why? Because people is plural. It means many persons. So, we must use plural verbs and pronouns with it. People are waiting outside. People have different opinions. If you want the singular form, you can say a person. One person is waiting outside. So, one person is. Two people are. Mistake 10. Thinking in your native language. This one is very important. Sometimes your English sounds unnatural, not because it's grammatically wrong, but because it's translated directly from your native language. Let me give you a few examples. Open the fan. Turn on the fan. Close the light. Turn off the light. I am having a headache. I have a headache. The grammar might be fine in your own language, but English uses different expressions or word groups. To sound natural, learn phrases instead of single words. For example, make a mistake. Not do a mistake. Take a shower. Not do a shower. Have a break. Not take rest. When you mean short rest. And the best way to learn these? Listen to native speakers, movies, podcasts, YouTube channels. Repeat what they say. That's called shadowing, and it really works. Quick tips to fix mistakes. Alright, now that we've seen the 10 most common mistakes, let's talk about how to fix them quickly. Here are 3 easy tips you can start using today. Tip 1. Record yourself speaking. When you listen to your own voice, you'll notice mistakes you didn't realize you were making. Tip 2. Shadow native speakers. Choose a short video or podcast, listen carefully, and repeat each sentence exactly the way it's said. Same tone, same rhythm. Tip 3. Get feedback. Ask a teacher, friend, or online partner to correct your mistakes. Don't be afraid of correction. Every correction helps you improve. Remember, mistakes are not failures. They're part of the learning process. Mini practice. Let's practice quickly. I'll say a wrong sentence, and you say the correct one in your mind. Ready? I didn't win. I didn't go. She is more better. She is better. I am agree. I agree. He go every day. He goes every day. People is friendly. People are friendly. Excellent work. Keep practicing these every day. That's it for today's episode of Speak Smart English. We talked about the most common English speaking mistakes and how to fix them with simple, clear examples. Remember, fluency doesn't mean speaking fast. It means speaking clearly and correctly. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, and bye for now.